Should I get some? Yeah. Here, look at in the middle, yeah. What? Yeah. What? Stay around, yeah. Smash. Yeah. Yeah.
Sea is quite beautiful. I've never seen it before. Oh! Yes, I have not. Also, I think we've arrived. Oh my. This place is massive. It's... Careful. Oh, this is very daunting. I've never seen a city quite so big. Just stay by me. Understood. Oh. That looks like an orange. Hello, good sir. Hello. Hello. Welcome. Let me welcome you with 100 glowberries. Thank you? That's a lot of glowberries. Don't eat those. Is there a reason? Hey Vine, long time no see. Oh, a green Steve. What is wrong with this orange Steve? He's making me very uncomfortable. We ate on the way here. Yeah, we did. We actually munched on some apples. Nonsense, I am friendly. Hello, I am an adventure screen. Nice to meet you, Vine. I'm Life Steve. Nice to meet you as well, Life. The pleasure's all mine. So, where exactly is this blacksmith? Well, I'd love to chit-chat more, Vine, but I have some stuff to talk to with the blacksmith about. Oh, him. He's a cool guy. Well, very nice to meet you, Vine. I need to attend to stuff myself. We'll see you later. You as well. Next amazing weapons, tools, etc. Well, be safe. That must be it. For sale. Oh, goodness, some of these houses are... Is that? Purple Elite. Who is that? A red elite? A red elite? Oh, hello. Hi. How ya been? This is Live Steve. Hello. He's with me. Doing just fine. How about yourself? Live Steve? Yes, sir? Hello? One of the three. I see. I'm very sorry for any trouble that my brothers may have caused. Well, I felt ill about him at first, but he's helped my people. It's true. I actually healed the Purple Thieves of the Purple Kingdom. He's very trustworthy. Thank you for standing up for me, Purple Elite. I stake my life on it. Oh, please don't do that. I would feel very bad if you lost your life because of me. I would feel awful. It's a figure of speech. Don't worry. That's my mistake. I'm still new to these phrases. What brings you to town, Red? Just wanted to visit. Oh, that was nice. I'm here to get some new tools. Nice. So, anything new in your life? Or just the usual? Not really. Just the usual. Ah, fair enough. Purple Elite. How many more Steve Elites are there? Well then, I'm off to... Oh. Not too many. Oh. Right. Really one for every color. I think... never mind. I'll tell you later. There's me, red, blue. I'm boring you. You're not boring me. Trust me, anything you talk about, I would never be bored with. The more knowledge I know, the more I'll... Well, I don't want to keep you waiting. See you around. But you, Life. Yes, sir? I got my eyes on you. Noted. Very much noted, sir. See you soon, Red. Bye. I'm coming. I'm very sorry. I just got very uncomfortable with him. Don't worry about him. Oh, this must be the blacksmith. To be honest, I've heard a lot of bad things about you. Of course you have. But I've learned those are a bit exaggerated. But anyways. The core material could be used as a hilt for a weapon. This... Ah, Purple Elite. Oh. Hi, Roan. Over here. Sorry about him. Be a good boy. That parrot of yours always enjoyed the seeds I made. And you. Yeah, he's fond of you. Hello, sir. You wouldn't happen to be one of those brothers. Uh-oh. I guess work gets around, doesn't it? And yeah, he is. Oh dear. How much more word has gotten around about them? How much trouble? Ah, so he's live. He spreads the word quite fast. You know P. Steve? The stories are just stories, though. He's helped my people. And I trust him. I made his new bow. However, he hasn't come back after leaving with the pink and yellow elites to tell me how it performed yet. Oh dear. I see. By chance, did you ever meet a Steve called War Steve too? One of my personal favorite creations. And no, I have not. I was gonna say, no one's heard. Oh, war. Who's talked about him? He has not stepped foot within this place. Not much. Everyone talks about how peace is, but no one ever talks about how war is. Hope he's okay. But in any case, first a few words have not been nice. Anyway, Purple Elite, you were here for a specific reason? Oh yeah. You've made any progress on my weapon? Yes, I have. It's complete now. Oh, really? Thanks. Oh. All I have is just a quarterstaff. Made of a new ore I found. Thought I'd try it out. Ooh, sounds nice. It sure does. Actually, if it breaks, that's on you. Hey, you want something live? On me? Are you truly sure? I don't want to be a bother. It's the least I can do. Well, alright, gotta defend yourself somehow. True. I'm sure I could fashion a weapon. Ace was pretty much radiating energy when I made that bow. You only had to make contact with it to imbue the thing with his power. I suppose that wouldn't a few people say? I'm curious. What kind of weapon do you see me having? Oh, there. And who's this? Oh, this must be the Pink Elite. Yep. So many elites. You remind me of someone. What's your name? I'm Life Steve. Why is he holding a bucket of axolotls? But I'm Life Steve. Life Steve. I heard that name before. Am I going to get a bad rep with all of the elites? Ah, yes. Peace, Steve mentioned you. Why is everyone going to hate me for? Yeah, he nice there. Your brothers are quite notorious, after all. Indeed. Did his bow fare well? Yes. Pink Elite. Purple Elite mentioned something about a Yellow Elite. Is he here too? Yellow Elite? Yeah. Yes. Oh, I must be going now. Bye-bye. Say hi to Red for me. That was odd, but in any cases, what kind of weapon would you say I would hold? I mean, I have this quarterstaff. You'd be good with a sword, I feel like. Are you comfortable wielding it? What, my quarterstaff? Actually, yes. I'm very comfortable holding a weapon like this. It feels natural. You seem to be trained in close combat then. I actually trained with Blue Elite. He taught me something lightweight and long. As he said, if you're good with combat, a sword would fare well. What about a spear? Something like a spear or a polearm, as they say. What do you think, Tyrone? I have yet to get good at creating those, surprisingly enough. The technique I use could make it fall apart. I see. I understand. The more metal in the weapon, the better it holds some power. You don't need anything too fancy for that. But you're the expert. What? You think I'd overcharge you or something? My oh so loyal customer. No. It's on me. I'd be happy to pay. Even if it was overpriced. Well, if you say a sword, then a sword it shall be. Perfect. You don't have the same energy overflow as peace. Energy overflow? Let me show you a part of my technique. Alright. Come here. Alright. I need you to concentrate some of your power into the forge fire, as the ores are smelting down. Alright. Unique properties of the sulfide will imbue the alloy with your power. Alright. something I discovered myself. That should be good enough. Oh. Stay back, Tyrone. Get the sword to blow up now. Well, of course not. Alright. What was that he was holding? Seems strong. It did indeed. Smith works well with his metal. But the energy infused with the metal should make it easier to mold. I'll need some new handles after this. That'll be included in your price tag, right? Fine. They use the heck out of that weapon. I will magic. Bound blade. Your skills always impress. It's a bound blade. I don't mean to question your methods, but what's special about it? That's the advantage of the user's power being within it. So, like, when the time it actually takes form in molds to be used. Oh, okay. So that's why it says it's bound. Because its power hasn't been fully unlocked. So as time passes, and my power fully awakens, the blade itself will change. It will be in tune with you in a way. Oh. Well, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate this. I will use it well. Almost like a part of your soul is within it, fighting alongside you. So, tie up. Blue Blacksmith. If it's any help to pay the cost, I have some ores you can have that I mined myself on my journey. The price is new anvils. Thank you! I heard there were some nice glowberries in a cave nearby. Wait. No way. Blue Elite. Azul? Pablo, I'll be back. Blue Elite. Azul. Please, Blue Elite, wait. I have a way to save him. I know how to fix him. Please, just let me fix him. Please. I know how to fix Azul. Purple Elite. Can't you tell him? Oh, really? Just like how you did with the Purple Steves? Ha, you wish. Purple Elite! He did help. I can show you. Azul. Stay still. What in the world? What is that?